Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily create a partition in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to navigate at the start icon. Please do a right click, scroll up and select on disk management. So tap the net and wait until a new window would appear, which is our disk management window, where it will show you all the available disk or the hard drive that you have plugged in or that is present in your Windows or computer. Here you can see in my case I have two disks which are disk 0 and disk 1. So just select the disk that you want to create a partition with, and the moment you have selected it, please do a right click and go with this option called shrink volume. So this still querying shrink space, and the moment it is being done this would appear. So here it will show you the total size before shrink in MB, and this is the initial size of your disk, and it asks you to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. So I would suggest that you would type a amount of space would not be greater than to the initial size of the disk. Okay, make sure that this it will not be greater than to the initial size of the disk to avoid any error. Okay, in my case, I'll be typing here 1000 MB, meaning 1 gigabyte. Okay, and once you have entered the amount of space in your case, you can select or you can type any of the amount space that you would prefer, as long as it will not be greater than on the initial space. Once it is being typed, you need to proceed on clicking on shrink and wait until a new partition would be created here. So a new partition is being shown here, but it is still unallocated. In order to activate it, we need to proceed on creating a new hard drive or new drive. Sorry. So you need to do a right click and go with new simple volume. And in this window, which you can see, create a new simple volume, click on next. And here it will show you the space that you have just input earlier. Click on next and assign the drive letter of the letter that you want to go. So let's say, for example, let's set it into letter E. Click on next, and in the file system, I'll be going with NTFS. In your case, you can go with FAT32 or NTFS. That's good to go. Okay. Click on next once again and click on finished and wait until a new volume or a new drive would be created here in our disk management. So we can see it here that I have just successfully created a new partition, which is a new volume letter E here out of my disk that I have plugged in my Windows or computer. So I have here letter E and letter D. And if we will close the window and if we will go with our File Explorer, you would be able to see also the partition that you have just created in my case. Okay? You would be able to see that also in your case. So close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.